What's up guys, Dave the Phone Guy back again with another video, and this time I have the highly anticipated, hot off the assembly line Galaxy Bud Lives. I've been waiting like 6 months since the leaks started coming out to check these things out. They look very interesting, very intriguing. I'm excited, but you know, we can't just do an unboxing. We gotta do a comparison. So we are gonna compare them to the Samsung Galaxy Bud Pluses, the Google Pixel Buds 2, the Apple AirPod Pros, last but certainly not least, the Microsft Surface Buds. So grab your popcorn, let's get excited, let's get this party started now. Alright guys, so let's start off with an unboxing. Let's get this thing popped. Let's go. Super excited. Here we go, you ready? Boom! Now this color, this is the Mystic Bronze. Kinda looks like rose gold to me. I like the size right off the bat. It's compact, super small. Google Pixel Buds, which are, in my opinion, almost perfect. Almost a perfect fit in the hand. Let's check them out. I'm gonna let you guys look first. Bang! The beans. The beans! Hold the excitement. I know you guys are getting amped. Let's just look. Let's see what else comes in the box. Right? So we have our A to C cable. There are some extra wings or tips that go on the end depending on the size of your ear, and that's it. Here we go. First one's in, feels comfortable. Second one's in. These are not going anywhere. Good sign. Next up, let's get these paired. I'm gonna open up the Galaxy Wear app, add new device, add device, Galaxy Bud Live. What do you guys think of this color? I have some white ones coming too. Gotta keep it low key at work, you know what I mean? Pair. I guess I have to install a plug-in really quick since I'm installing these on my OnePlus 8 Pro. Check these out, guys. Super small. Here's a comparison in size to the Galaxy Buds. Focus. Let's get these set up on dynamic, and there looks like there's an update. Let's go ahead and get them updated. So while we're waiting, I can tell you, these things are super comfortable. It's weird. They almost don't even feel like they're there. I can tell there's a small passive noise cancellation. I know these have ANC and I'm gonna test that out, but just having them in my ears, I can tell that some of the ambient noise is already blocked out. I feel like I'm talking a little bit louder. You just kind of can tell. So the software is updated. I have these set up in dynamic mode. Let's start listening to some tunes. I'm gonna go through all of these headsets, so this is gonna be a longer video since this is a full comparison. I'm gonna listen to the same song on each earbud, just in case you want to listen along. Ooh, what? I didn't expect that. Some solid bass. These things sound fire. All right, so right off the bat, the highs are crisp, the mids are solid, and that bass hits, makes that vibration in my brain that I'm always looking for. I like them. I like them. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I was unsure. I was unsure how they were gonna feel in my ears. I was unsure how they were gonna sound in my ears. These sound great. Let's do a back-to-back with the Galaxy Bud Pluses and see how they compare. Here we go. These are also set in dynamic. Now I expect these to be better because they're in my ears a little bit more. We know the Samsung Galaxy Bud Pluses, they sound good. The highs are a bit crisper than the Buds Live. The mids are about the same. The bass does not seem as heavy as the Buds Live. So if you want that little extra bass, the Buds Live seem to pull that out compared to the Buds Plus. Now we're gonna check out the Google Pixel Buds. Now these are my go-tos, the everyday carry Bluetooth headsets. I love the features, I love everything about them. Let's see if they hold up. Here we go. Here comes the bass. All right, so the Pixel Buds are very good sounding. They're not the best. They're not the best at anything, but they have a lot of the best features, such as holding down the side and activating Google Assistant, or just saying the word, "Hey Google," and then coming on with the promise of feature drops. But we're not talking about any of that today. We're talking about how they sound right now. They sound very good. The highs are crisp, the mids are clear, the bass is okay. It's not as heavy as the Samsung Lives. So right now, I'm still putting this in the Samsung Live as the winner, but we're going forward. Next, we're going to listen to the Apple Airpods Pros and then the Microsft Surface Buds. Then we're gonna do a mic test. So hang on, don't go anywhere. It's a long video, guys, I told you that. All right, you ready? You ready? Let's go. Ooh, okay. The Apple Airpods Pros sound good. They really sound to me just like the Google Pixel Buds. The highs are good, the mids are good, the bass hits, not super hard, but it hits. They're just all around great contenders. Are they the best? My opinion is no. So far, I think the Samsung Galaxy Buds still have it. I'm actually gonna jump back and listen to them real quick before I listen to the Microsft Surface Buds, just so I don't forget. They hit so hard. Holy cow. All right. Let's get these Surface Buds in. I only needed to listen to them for like 3 seconds to remember how hard they hit. Surface Buds. Let's get this music cranked. All right, guys, so Surface Buds are good. The highs are crisp, the mids are good and solid. The bass isn't that heavy, doesn't hit that hard. Listen, all of these are good. They're all good. And if you don't listen to them back to back to back to back to back, you'd never know that there was a difference in sound. They're all expensive earbuds, $149 and up, with the Apple Airpods Pros being on the higher end of the spectrum at $249. They're all good, they're all great, and you'd never really notice the difference, again, unless you listened back to back to back to back to back. But it's mic test time. We're gonna start all over, starting with the Samsung Buds Live and going all the way down, ending with the Microsft Surface Buds. So here we go again. This is the sound of my voice with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. How does it sound? This is the sound of my voice with the Samsung Galaxy Bud Pluses. How do they sound? Are you able to hear my voice crisp and clear? This is the sound of my voice with the Google Pixel Buds 2. How does my voice sound? All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Apple Airpods Pro. How does my voice sound? This is the sound of my voice with the Microsft Surface Buds. How does my voice sound? Let's go ahead and introduce that ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. This is the sound of my voice with the Samsung Galaxy Bud Pluses. How do they sound? Wait to the very end to leave all those comments down below. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Google Pixel Buds 2. This is the sound of my voice with the Apple Airpods Pro. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Microsft Surface Buds with ambient noise in the background. What I want you guys to do is rank everything down in the description, 1 being the best, 5 being the worst. Let me know what you guys think down below. Whew, that was a long video. My voice is about shot, but I think we did it. These Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are pretty awesome. I love the shape. It's different. It's something new. That's what we needed, right? They feel great in my ears. Better yet, they sound really good. I hope that the mic test holds up. And then these, my friends, are an instant buy. Guys, that's what I have for you today. If you liked this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace!